Tutorial of the React Native. In this tutorial I will going to tell you about the use state function. What is the use state function? And we are going to make this type of app, counter of the Pokemon. It is a simple app, but it is very important to describe the use state function initially. Okay, so just it do nothing, just count. Okay, increase the count or decrease the count. So guys, there's a task for you. What you have to do, you have to build a new file in the screen folder just by clicking in the new file and name it as a card counter and make a frame like this. Okay, in that frame you have to import the React Native and all this which I already tell you. Then name it constant as a const counter and then return view, and in the view we return two buttons. Only provide title. I will provide title increase cartoon, increase cartoon and decrease cartoon. Okay, decrease cartoon. Okay, I will do this only. And after this you have to just go to the home.js and you have to copy this touchable opacity from here and make a new touchable opacity here only. Color it as I color it as red. Here I show color red and name it as a counter of the Pokemon. And home screen 3. Home 3 means in the app.js we make home 3 as a variable and put it screen 3 card.counter in it, so that we can call it whenever we need. So we call it on press button on this touchable opacity. Okay, so what we have to do in the card counter, we have to describe the use state function. What is use state function? Use state function is a function in which whatever it is showing in this app, it refreshes. Means whenever we count anything, increase or decrease, but the screen is the constant value. It is a screen having the constant, which is everything here is the constant. But we have to want to change anything on the screen, we have to refresh it. So use state is used as the thing which can refresh the screen components. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to make a constant here and I declare just an array here. Okay, I name it anything in it, count comma set count. Okay, which I put equals to the use state, which is equal to 0. What is this? I'll tell you. Whenever I press use state and press tab, so you might see here by putting the comma and curly braces, use state already come. If it not come, you have to import it from here, from the React. Okay, so after doing this, what I done here, I declare an array of the count and set count. Okay, and put the use state as a 0. As initial I put the value 0 of the state of the count. Okay, use state just reflecting the count and it refreshes our screen whenever the count is changed. Okay, but we do not change count directly because of the use state function have the eye on the count, so we have to change the set count whenever the set count is changed. So use state function, what it does, whenever set count change, it directly put set count value to the count and refresh the screen. Okay, that's the function of the use state, and 0 is the initial value of the count. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to on the button increase button, we have to do on press equals to, and I made here a function. What this function does, it set count, set it set count plus, I can add anything, 12 1 anything. Okay, so doing this in the second also, if I press the decrease button, but beside adding I just minus here. Okay, and after this button I want to view that. Okay, so what I can do, I make here a text view. Okay, in the text I reflect the value of the count. Okay, and just control S. Let's see what changes. Just it refreshing. Okay, let's see, when we increase, yeah, it increasing, and when we decrease, it decreasing our count. Okay, it means what it doing, it just when I click on the increase button, the use, okay, let's see the initial state first. Okay, let's see initial state by refreshing it. I refresh it, and initial state is 0. What it state that use state function initial 0 it set to the count value. Okay, because we reflecting here only count value, so it puts count value to the use state function, put count value as a 0. And when we increase, when we click on the increase, the set count was increased by the 1, and as the set count increase, use state function determine it and put that value to the count and refresh whole app. Now the value of the count is 2. Okay, so what we can do also here, we can const num, anything you want to name, num equals to 2 3, you can do anything, and I add num here. Okay, and subtract also num here, because I want to add, if I want to add bigger number. Okay, let's see now. It just refresh, and it's increasing by 15 and decreasing by 15. So friend, this is all about use state function, and there is many uses of the use state function we see in the upcoming tutorial. So please subscribe my channel.